black motorcycle with no tag caught an officer's eye, but when the lights came on, the driver hit the gas, blazing through no passing zones and nearly causing multiple crashes. What started as a simple traffic stop turned into a reckless chase through neighborhoods and winding roads.
White male, burgundy t-shirt, passengers a female, green tank top. Coming up to Pleasant Hill Road. Be going right on Pleasant Hill Road. Right on Pleasant Hill Road.
After ditching the bike and running into the woods, the suspect was finally tased and cuffed. Officers found meth in his pocket and confirmed the motorcycle was stolen. His wild ride, fueled by drugs and bad decisions, ended in handcuffs and a trip to jail.
God dang, that sucks. I've been with her for how long? We could have resolved all this right here. You know what I'm saying?
Huh?
I said we could have resolved all this if she would just told me.
Did you get pulled over on your own?
I tried to. That's why she kept hitting me, telling me to go. You know what I'm saying? I was like, no, I gotta pull over. I was like, I gotta pull over. I gotta pull over.
Okay. 3 dirt bikes, no helmets, and zero interest in stopping. That's what officers faced when they spotted the riders weaving through traffic and even onto sidewalks. What followed was a chaotic chase through the city, with the suspects making illegal turns and dodging patrol cars at every turn.
Up to the stop sign, I got you.
Click on Malin. Click on Malin. Click on Malin.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
One rider was finally boxed in and surrendered without further fight. With a long list of charges and no excuses, his dirt bike adventure ended with flashing lights and a ride straight to jail.
You want to let your wife know that you're going to jail?
Yep.
Yeah. You what?
I mean, can I call when I get there?
I mean, she's already texting you asking if you're having fun. I figured she probably want to know that you're going to jail, not going to be home for a while.
Yeah,
she
thinks I'm riding the park. She don't know I'm riding the streets and shit.
Yeah,
that's
so you don't want her to know that you're going to jail? I just don't want her to think you died or something. and her start calling the
I
hospital.
can call her later, right?
I don't know. It might be 7, 8 hours before you get a phone call. You know, if you would have pulled over, dude, you just would have got a ticket, and your bike would have been towed. You wouldn't be facing felony charges now.
Felony charges?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
A suspicious Dodge Charger caught the attention of troopers in Columbus, Georgia, and what followed was anything but ordinary. From a high-speed escape through a parking lot to a collision and a desperate foot chase, this suspect was determined not to go quietly.
Slow, big guy. Come on, go, go. Show us today.
1033, time 1080, 1080.
Let us see your hand! Let us see your hand! Get down!
Get me here, man. You're out.
Or is they right there ain't gonna tell you. You gotta grab me, bro.
Hey,
you gotta grab me like
stop
that, bro.
moving.
Where I'ma go, bitch? I'm in handcuffs.
Hey,
Fuck you talking about?
calm down.
Wait.
Calm down. Calm down.
You gonna stay right there, man. I'm getting tired of it. I gotta pat you down and you keep moving. All right.
Just chill out, man. Chill out.
Spread your legs. Okay.
Marcus Walden's run ended with a taser deployment, a felony takedown, and a pile of evidence, including a stolen Glock and a bag of marijuana. Already a convicted felon, he now faces even more charges and a fast track back to jail. A gray Honda Accord was clocked at 68 in a 55, but that was just the beginning. Speeds quickly soared past 125 miles per hour as the driver led troopers on a wild, reckless chase through Troup County.
Contact Bush Pond. Traveling back south home. Heading back toward Georgia 14.
Back towards Georgia 14, Bush Pond.
Taser!
Hands down, get off your phone. You finna get it again. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
After multiple collisions with the patrol car and a failed foot chase, a well-placed taser brought the pursuit to an end. The suspect was arrested and taken to jail, leaving behind a trail of damaged vehicles, close calls, and some very serious charges.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.